We're having a lot of fun here doing some videos today, which is always great, and discussing different topics, which I love, and it really depends on what's in my mind at any given time, what I like to chat about. And today it's about, do you see yourself as a speculator or an investor? If you're looking for quicker profits, if you're looking for higher returns, if you're looking to check your investments daily, if you don't mind whether you hold your investment 1 day or 1 year, and if you're looking to profit from price movements, then of course it's timing for you and not time in. That means you are a speculator. Whereas as an investor, we are looking for future benefits, whether they be dividends, whether they be value, whether it be income. And of course, through this, we're looking for average returns, a more secure thing, a future return, a future income. We are happier to stay in longer. And of course, we're happy to weather some storms along the way with the knowing that we are going to grow and benefit in the future. We don't look at our investments daily, and we do know it is time in, not timing. So assess whether you're an investor or a speculator. Either way, you will know which type of property and how to play the real estate game that works for you. Happy investing.